Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2018 BMW 440i M Sport we have new in stock. This is the professional media auto variant of the vehicle, and you've got a decent list of standard specifications as well as a long list of added optional inclusions on the vehicle. To begin with the exterior of the car, you've got the carbon black metallic paintwork, which at first glance looks black, but up close you'll notice has a lot of blue fleck in it. You've got your adaptive LED headlights visible at the front as an added optional inclusion, and your standard LED taillights at the rear. Sun protection glass all around as an added optional feature as well. You've got some aggressive aerodynamic M Sport body styling being displayed around the vehicle here, as well as some of your gloss black kidney grille inserts and gloss black trim. You've also got the chrome tailpipes at the rear, and your M Sport diamond turned alloy wheels. You've got a full Dakota leather interior with your full electric functions and memory settings for the driver and the passenger. You've got the optional Harman and Kardon surround sound system on the door cards. Your M Sport leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel where you've got access to your cruise control functions, and you've also got access to your adaptive LED headlights from the left indicator stick just behind. On the center console you can see some of your infotainment controls. You can see your drive selector and your dynamic driving modes, as well as your climate control functions and your heated seat controls. On the center screen you've got access to some of your infotainment features such as DAB radio, as well as your optional reversing assist camera. You've also got the optional enhanced Bluetooth with wireless charging, the optional sport braking system, comfort access system, and the extended storage, all as added optional features. If you would like to know any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this particular 2018 440i M Sport, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.